Hello to all the dedicated teachers and creative parents. I hope you're doing great and feeling full of energy to create joyful and unique learning experiences. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the recovery section. Since this section works the same way across all games and tests, it has been explained separately to avoid repeating it in other videos. As previously explained, when you use the clear option, you will first be asked whether you would like to create a backup of the questions or games. If you choose yes, the information will be saved in the backup table, and you can later restore it using the same form. If you want to recover a range of questions, you can enter the number of the first question and then the number of the last question in the designated fields, and then click the recovery button. After a few moments, the data will be restored to the main table. For example, if you want to recover questions 1 through 4, simply enter 1 in the first field and 4 in the second field, then click Recovery button. All questions within that range will be returned to the main table. If you want to restore specific, non-sequential questions, you can also recover them individually. For instance, if you only want to recover questions 1 and 4, enter 1 in both fields and click Recovery button. Then repeat the same for question 4. Just like that, your selected questions will be restored. Reset button resets the page to its default state. Clear backup button completely deletes all data stored in the backup table. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.